Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here, back with another 5-minute craft challenge, and what a challenge it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just thinking up like really quick card ideas now, but I got this just recently. I'm not even sure when this video is going out, so I'll probably add it a little while now. Those of you that know me know I love a pocket full of happiness designs. They're just different. They're just so stunning. This one has been designed by Paige Taylor Evans for a pocket full of happiness, and it's Today is a Good Day, and I just love it. I just saw it, fell in love with it, so I thought, right, I'm going to use this on one of my challenges. Now, there's no guarantee it's going to be done in 5 minutes. The previous one was done in, 8 minutes? So I'm just going to get things out. Let me just take this off. All right. At least there's only one bit of tape on here. Oh, right. See, good job this ain't part of me 5 minutes, isn't it? Because I'd have fouled by now. Well, probably foul anyway. But, you know, it's up to you if you want to take this bit of tape off. Personally, I prefer to. That's coming off nicely. If you can't get the tape off, put some talcum powder on there, and then that stops it being all sticky. Okay, so let me just throw that over there. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to do, oh gosh, that's all got dirt all over it. I don't know what that's from. Might turn it inside out. It's just my card blank. So I'm just going to do a nice colour on this. So let me just, right, do you know what? I'm going to get me colours out. I'm going to get myself organised. So what shall I go for? Let's just put that there. Let's have, oh, I don't know. Let's go for a bit of picked raspberry, Fossilized amber. I used that in one of the other ones. Loved that. What's that one? Oh, Mermaid Lagoon. They're three quite. Okay, so let me get my brushes ready. See, I'm giving myself a little head start here. Right, okay, so I have got my white Superior Smooth cardstock. Let me just move my little tins out the way so I can move these out the way, give myself a bit of room. So it's my Superior Smooth Wow cardstock that I've cut in half lengthways, folded in half, so it can be like a book fold or tent fold. I personally like tent fold. So I'm just going to put it in between a bit of copier paper because I'm going to colour all on here. That way it won't go through to the back. Okay, so this is probably what's going to take the longest, is the colouring, isn't it? So let me just take all my lids off if I get myself organised. Okay, let's just start picking up some colour. I'm not doing anything fancy. Okay, let's go. Right, so I'm just going to put some colour on in random places. Oops, nothing fancy, as I say. Oh, it looks like Ukraine flag, doesn't it, those colours together? Okay, I don't know whether I've picked the right colours here. I've gone for colours that wouldn't normally go together, but you know, we'll see, we'll see. I do like to give myself a bit of a challenge, as you can tell with this new little series. And I like watching how these, once they start sort of going into the card, they're quite creamy, the Distress Oxides. Once they start going into the card, they show the blending better. So here it can look awful, absolutely awful. But start sort of brushing into it, and as it dries, you get a nicer sort of blend, so you can bring more into it. Now I'm probably just going to be waffling and I'm going to go over my time. The nice thing as well, look, bring the blue in with the yellow and then you start getting a green. So you're getting sort of extra colours in there as such, which is just really, really nice. Let's just have a little bit of blue up here. Blue with the pink will go a bit lilac-y. Probably haven't got time to put my lids on, but hey ho, I'm going to do it. Right, so I'm just going to set that aside to dry. Now I'm going to die cut this. I'm going to use a bit of wax paper, one because it's just a really big die. So let me just put this on here. Bring my big shot in, and then hopefully it's going to cut lovely. So I need to just go like so, get that over there. If I do it, I'm trying to line it up sort of thing. So this is just on a panel that was slightly smaller than my actual card base. Do you know what? I didn't even look at what time I started this, so I won't know until I edit it now what I did. This is what might take the time, I'm thinking, is the getting all the little bits out. So let's just have a little look. Oh, right. So if do you know what I'm going to do? I don't know if you can see me doing it. No, you can't see me doing it. Right, I want to keep all those letters because I think, oops, sorry. That was me blowing a raspberry, by the way. I'm going to use these on something else because I don't want to get rid of those. Not in this card, obviously. I've only got 5 minutes. Poke all these out. And then, just to challenge myself a little bit more, I want to do it again. See, look at that, and it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Today is a good day to have a good day. Right, I'm going to keep all of those because just to annoy myself even more, I want to cut it out from some foam as well so that I can mount it on. So let me see. Now I haven't got any thingy-bob, wax paper under that. So hopefully it's going to cut out. Oh, get it lined up, Marion. No, see, that was 30 seconds. It's horrible doing things in a rush. But you know what? I'm going to come backwards as well, just in case. Let's throw that out the way. Get this bad boy out and see what we did. Oh, I shouldn't have gone backwards on it. Look, I've actually, by going backwards over it, I've slightly moved it and I've only got a tiny little bit there. But I might be able to salvage that. Let me just see. Yeah, I shouldn't have gone back over it because I actually moved it and that was just really stupid. But hey ho, it's because I'm doing it in a rush. If I wasn't doing it in a rush, it wouldn't have happened. If I wasn't doing it on video, it wouldn't have happened. But you know what it's like. But look, lovely. I'm just going to move. Let's take that. And I'm going to move these over and out the way. And then if I take that, I can still probably salvage some of it. I'm going to go in and then put glue on that and then mount it on. So this is where I normally fast forward, but I'm not going to do that this time. It'll be interesting actually when I go back into edit to see how long it takes to do bits like this. So just tiny little dots. Ooh, big bubble on there. If you're enjoying this little series of fast card making, please let me know in the comments if you like it or if you like me waffling on for ages. I will do both still, but it's just nice to know if you're enjoying it because not everyone has time to sit and watch a 30, 40, 50-minute video. So I just thought it would be nice. And I saw other people doing them, like I said in the last one, and I just thought it was great. But yeah, so this is just my version of it, and I'm calling it a craft challenge rather than a 5-minute make or whatever. Because I am really challenging myself to do this. I really wished I'd looked at my start time. I know I've gone over. I must have. If I haven't, it would be a miracle. But anyway, let's see how far I go over. I think my last one I've done, the embossed pouncing technique one, I think that one I actually done in 8 minutes flat. So considering that weren't too bad, really. It really wasn't. And there was no fast forwarding. The only thing I did do in that one was I had pre-cut the 2 butterflies. That was all. Right, let me just get this in alignment. I just like putting it on some funky foam because it just gives it a nice bit of dimension. It really does. And even if it does just go over slightly, it's still, you know, relatively quick. Whoops, I got a bit of gumph on there, but hey ho. Oh look, that's them bits. Do you know, I might snip those. I think I can get away with it. Now, if I was doing this all properly, I would take out all the other bits and then put the say like the little doodahs back in, but I'm going to see if I can just get away with it like this. So let me just come in. I'm just going to snip off those bits where I'd got too thin a bit. I don't think it's going to matter too much, to be honest. And just snip that bit off. And snip, oops, that bit off. Okay. Oh, see, look at that. That's nice. Let's just throw a bit more glue on there. Okay, only needs tiny bits. This is where I feel like I need to do the glue on my hand just to pick up those tiny little areas. That's always a good thing. I just go round, round, round. Little bits. See, I feel like I have to waffle away because I'm not fast forwarding or anything. So you just have to listen to me waffle. So waffle, waffle, waffle. Let me just get around. You don't realise how big the stamp is until you're having to do all this. I reckon this will be a 15-minute video now. I did say in the other one I should call it my 5-stroke or /10-minute crafting video, crafting challenge. Oh, honestly. Set myself up, don't I? Okay, let me just grab. Oh, I've got a little bit of doodah on. Oh, look, I've got a bit on there. Darn. Okay. So let me just do that and let that dry. Look, I could put a couple of little, oh, I might get away with that. I might be able to rubber that off or erase it off. Oh, I should have done that on my hand because, look, I can see bits of glue. But you know what? Considering, let me bring that up. Let me just, oh, I've got loads of bits of glue all over it. If you do it, try not to do it so fast. You don't have to do it in 5 minutes. But look, I've got little bits on there. But you know what? For a quick and simple card, isn't that nice? And then I've got all these bits to play with. So I've got an idea. I think I'm going to go ahead and make another one for another video because I've got another idea with this die, which I sort of looked at it earlier and thought, I could do that. So Thanks ever so much for watching. Sorry it wasn't 5 minutes. And I'll see you on the other one. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.